So anyway, guys, so selling is the best thing right now where you can make some money. Selling items. It takes time, but you know, load it up. Get like 100 items, 50 items up. You're gonna start pulling in some money. And I mean, you can sell anything on, basically anything on the marketplace. You got Craigslist you can sell. So Marketplace, Craigslist, Poshmark, which I don't sell on Poshmark really right now, but and you got eBay for some expensive items you could throw on eBay. You could just have an open bid or just put a price tag on it. Okay guys, so you know, $24 and change today at the scrapyard with almost 50 pounds of cans. I think it was 50 pounds of cans, aluminum cans, and that scale was a little bit rigged, so that's why I say 50 pounds plus, you know, it was 13 something with the scrap, and I just don't understand how the cans could be less than the scrap metal. So you know, they're rigging you over there. I don't care, guys, it's a mess gone. I'm gonna get rid of all this too. All this cast aluminum's gonna be gone. All this stuff here is gonna be gone. It's just the Jeep's not charging, the battery's not being charged, and that's my problem. I can't make too many stops. Has to be a trip there, trip back, and 1 or 2 starts, you know. So I gotta find a short. There's definitely a short, guys. That's why I'm looking for another vehicle. But for me right now, guys, it's making the money, you know. Yeah. It's you know, making the money. So there's a lot of stuff I got listed yet. A lot of stuff's got to be sold. This is going to get up there and hopefully be sold for like $65, that cooler. The tool chest, I'm hoping to get 50-60 bucks for that down there. These 2 fans I'm going to sell probably $5 each, I don't know, 10 bucks each. This I got to sell. This is my way. This crib, guys, is in my way. I think I'm going to reduce the price from $135 to $115. Hopefully I get rid of this crib. And so much other stuff, but the cat sold today, and I have to bring that down to her. We're gonna meet, and I think I'm gonna put this up next. This hairpiece, guys, made in USA. This is gonna be like a $30 item right here. Easy $30 to the right person that wants to buy this deer. I'm gonna take that in with me to take photos. And just stop, you know, you gotta sell, guys. Sell. That's what I'm working on. And a lot of stuff for sale, guys. I got a lot of VHSs with DVDs, and I wanted to take this cat in as well. Right here. This cat's going up for sale, guys. This is going to be like $30 for this cat. You know, that's when I'm at $30. This is like over a foot. It's wide. It's big. Cat stuff sells, guys. So this is coming in with me. We'll just take a look at the bottom. You know, I got a lot of cat stuff, guys. So this is getting sold for some good money. More than $10 like the other one. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this in, and I'm going to list it. And then I'm going to come back for the deer. I mean, the more, let me fix it. The more stuff like this right here, you know, it's paint's wearing out a little, but this stuff's collectible. People want this stuff, guys. Cats more than deer, you know, but let me get out of here. I'll show you this out there. We'll lock up and wrap up this video, guys. Oh, I don't want to drop this. This was like purchased in 8/11/03. Yo. And that's what I'm going to do, start pulling. As it warms up, I'll get in here, I'll start going through stuff and start listing stuff for big money, guys. I have cameras on my sheds here. I don't want to break this, but I want to show it to you in the sun. It's a little dirty, I'm going to clean it up. Get this really nice and clean. That's a really nice piece of work. And it's big, guys. It's got some weight to it. I mean, beautiful piece. This is somebody's gonna want this for their fireplace mantle or their patio somewhere. You know, next to their book holder or whatever, a coffee table. This is a beautiful piece, guys. I think I could get $30 for this all day. A lot more money than this stuff here, this scrap metal. So I'd rather have stuff like this all day instead of scrap metal. Alright guys, we've got an item here we're going to sell. It's just a cat. I'll put a photo up of the cat that I'm going to sell today if they show up for it. It's only a $10 item, but you know, it helps. Everything helps. Going to meet them there now. That's them. I recognize them. What? Yeah. Hi. Yeah, it's in here. I just don't want to drop it, you know. There she is. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I'll be having more stuff put up there.
Alright.
You know, we got a big cat like that. It's going up soon and stuff, you know. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Alright. There goes just found a penny, guys, so even though it's $13, you can't buy it no more, you know what I mean?
That must be my husband.
There you have it, guys. So it's $10 and a penny.
I gotta wait. Are you kidding me?
Forget it. Go, honey. Cars.
I need gas. But I need gas.
You gotta go in the morning or later. Anyways, guys, the cat's at Kmart in the bottom. $13 or $12.99 for the cat. I sold it for $10. Kmart's closed. You can't buy that no more. It's a very nice piece too. Freaking moon is out. I just hope they're happy with it. You know, it's for $10. What do you want? You know, it's a good item for $10, though, I have to say. Okay, guys. So you know, $24 and change today at the scrapyard. I just want to, you know, keep doing what you're doing. Keep trying to get ahead. And eventually it's going to happen for you. You're just going to start making it, you know. You're going to start, you got to start somewhere, and starting at the bottom is better than not starting at all, you know what I'm saying? So long as you can keep making some sales, you're going to start accumulating money. The trick is you got to save the money, guys. Okay, you save it, all right? You know, flea market's coming up, guys, so thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Stay positive through it. You could get depressed when you're not making sales, but stay positive, okay? And thanks for watching.